I want to list 5 lifestyle factors that improves mental health. Number 1, be active. So it's very important for you to do something that you love, because this helps you stay active and it improves your physical health. It's been shown once there's an improvement in your physical health, this also affects your mental health. So number 2, giving. Being kind in the aspect of giving and putting smiles on the faces of others to improve a person's self-esteem as well as your emotional health. Number 3, learning. Learning new skills, building yourself in the aspect of knowledge has shown to boost confidence and also gives you a sense of achievement, which literally helps with your mental health. So number 4 would be connection. Connecting with the right people, building healthy relationships, having the right people around you literally gives you peace, gives you joy, gives you happiness, and this helps with your mental health. Number 5, but not the least, will be take note of your present moment, your feelings, your thoughts, because this gives a positive feeling about life. I'll see you guys tomorrow.